एक न्यू पार्टी रेजिस्ट्रेशनाक घातलेल्या ECN जी गोवा काँग्रेस पार्टी म्हणून. सो जे तुमचे कितें म्हणले कित्याक तुमी काँग्रेसीचे लोपी आहात. सो दोन पार्टी आमी म्हणटाले सदांच
कितें मरे आमी 4 वर्सां उलयताय की BJP पार्टी पळय आहा ऑपोजिशना मडें फूट घालपाक जायते प्रयत्न करतले. 2022 कोणाक खबर नासली 6 म्हयन्या भितर TMC येयली. TMCन कितें केलें येयल्यो जायते लोकांक नवी सकाळ आनी नवी अकल जायते दिलें. कार्ड दिलीं, क्रेडीट कार्डा भाशेन 50,000 5,000 हांकां कोण हाडले कितें हाडले लोकां मदें कन्फ्युजन करपाक आनी कन्फ्युजन जेन्ना कोताय एक डिस्ट्रॅक्शन. दीस इज पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रॅक्शन and politics of distraction basically from the main issues. My focus from day one as an MLA, as leader of opposition of the Congress party was to basically show that the BJP जे आज गोंयांत करप्शन केलां, ज्या पद्दतीन लोकांक लुट्टा, सेल ऑफ गोवा हें नरेटीव जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षान अग्रेसिवली घेतलें, एक्सपोज करपाक घेतलें, दीस इज नथींग बट BJP's ideas, theatrics to make sure this distraction happens. And to confuse Goans. So this is politics of distraction to confuse Goans. Let me tell you very, very seriously की आमी लोकांक सांगपाक सोदता the Congress party is intact. After the last defection, for 4 years we have been fighting in the assembly. Although we are 3 MLAs, we have exposed this government time and over again. Every session on the ground. And today the BJP understands in divide and rule. Few individuals ganging up to form a political outfit. What is their ideology? It's a big question mark. Yesterday there was a public notice. But if you see, if we connect the dots, the BJP is scared, they have become vigilant, and they understand they want to divide. ये गोवा काँग्रेस जे पण मुखार आमकां आयकों येता, दिस इज नथींग बट एक प्रयत्न करपाक लोकां मदें डिवायड करपाक. आमचो फोकस आसा, नो मॅटर वॉट, माय फोकस, माय पार्टीज फोकस इज टू डिफीट द BJP. And this coming 4-5 months before the election, I believe the people are not fools. Goenkarak, to me, you cannot take them for granted. Today, the real issue, the real fight is against the BJP. What the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, as the principal opposition party, we will fight against the BJP.
So to be filed a complaint file, you are going to file the complaint.
No, see,
Objection.
that objections, legally what needs to be done, the party will decide. But at the start, हांव सांगपाक सोदता, TMC is an example. Why were they brought to Goa? 6 months before, why were they brought to Goa? The BJP understands and their survey shows that they are losing miserably. What the BJP has is crores of rupees, and they will use these crores of rupees to divide Goan people based on religion and caste. This is what they have done. आणि सेक्युलर लोकां मदें फूट घालपाचो प्रयत्न करतले.
की आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी येतली किंवा सेकंड काँग्रेस पार्टी.
So please don't put words in my mouth. There are basically, the Congress is a family. I have seen his statement. He has said that he is with the Congress, with the Indian National Congress. So there is basically, you won't get that from me. We are all finally working in the interest of the party. What is our agenda? Our agenda is the people want to send the BJP home. That is the focus. Should be the focus. So yen distractions जावचे ना. I am focused. We are working on our strategies, constituency wise, booth wise, building the party, district presidents working presidents working. This has made the BJP, it has rattled them. They below high. तांकां खबर आहा की ते, you all must have seen the amount of activities that is happening. Our focus is to send the BJP.
You mean to say that none of your Congress workers or leaders are attached with this co-op or Congress party formation?
See, finally, we are गोंयकार मरे गोंयकार वेदर गोंयकारपण आमगेलें पयलीं आमी राखपाक गोंयकारपण म्हळ्यार कितें आज ज्या पद्दतीन आमचें लिबरल गोंय म्हणून आमकां वळखता ज्या पद्दतीन करप्शन ज्या पद्दतीन क्रायम हें सगळें जें वाडलेलें आसा हितून जरी तर चोयल्यार BJPचो जो संकल्प पत्र आशिल्लो 2022 जे 6 म्हयने आदीं तेमी डिवायड केलें लास्ट टायम डिविजन ऑफ वोट जाले एवरीवन वॉन्टेड BJP गोईंग होम गोंयकार डिसायड जावपा जाय वी आर फर्स्ट गोंयकार्स पार्टी सेकंड गोंयकार टुगेदर वील डिफीट द BJP सो द गोंयकार्स नीड टू टेक अ कॉल and how to take a call the principal opposition party Congress will lead this fight.
तुमकां हांगासर काल एक मिटींग जाली आनी थंय गोळकाराचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून एल्वीस गोन्झालेज तुमच्याच पार्टीचो लिडर तो
एक सांगपा सोदता कोणाच्यान बसपा जाता म्हाका लोकांचेर विश्वास आहा कुंकळकाराचेर विश्वास आसा आनी फायनली right from a young boy in 2002 when my father first contested Kunkolkars blessed us for 10 years after which in 2022 when I contested I won during the MP election we got one of the highest margins in the history we got a lead of almost 6,000 votes that never ever did the Congress party get so much lead Captain Viriato got today I represent Kunkolim no doubt but I am fighting for the people of Goa हांव गोंयकारा पासून हांव झुजता कुंकोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी नो डाउट बट प्रायमरीली आय एम फायटींग फॉर द रायट्स ऑफ गोवा फॉर मी गोवा इज फर्स्ट फॉर मी वॉट द पीपल ऑफ कुंकोलीम विल डू आय नो द लव एंड अफेक्शन that they have shown to me all throughout these years. For the last 25 years, Kunkolkars have associated themselves to my father, to me. We've been holding the municipality for the almost last 20 years. So it is not going to basically, a lot of people will try, ki baba na tu Kunkol eche ha teche ha. म्हजें लक्ष गोंय सांबाळपाक म्हजें लक्ष जें पळय हा 40 मतदारसंघान वचपाक हे BJPचे जे मनीस आसा BJPचे मनीस हे भियेलेले आहा इसलिए जायत जातले everyone is free to contest the election all are welcome but I will tell you one thing that I have full faith in the Kunkolkars and I will win with a very big thumping majority.
ओके कोळी सोड आणि अजून खंयसून कॉन्टेस्ट करता तुम्ही करतले
सो फाल्यां आतां तूं प्रुडंट आहा मरे तुका फाल्यां पयलो इंडिया टुडे वयतलो वचपा ना चिंत्तो मरे तूं वयतलो सो कितें आहा पार्टी जे पण सांगता ते आदेश आमकां आयकपाक पडटा पण तें तूं प्रुडंटा आयकतलो वो इंडिया टुडे गेला आयकतलो तें तुजेर आहा बाबा कळ्ळें न्हू जें पण पार्टी सांगता तें पार्टीचें आमकां आयकपाक पडटा